Which is the best AI tool for creating YouTube thumbnails? Welcome to the AI Funhouse, the YouTube channel that takes a light-hearted approach to investigating AI tools. In this video, I will be looking at a whole bunch of AI tools, and through the video, we will see some decent results and, quite frankly, some rather ridiculous ones. Stick around, because in amongst the chaos, there is actually a very decent tool for creating YouTube thumbnails. But until then, let's start with the obvious choices. First up here is ChatGPT. For each tool, I will ask it to create me a highly clickable YouTube thumbnail for the best AI tool for creating YouTube thumbnails. So ChatGPT, and trust me, this won't be the only tool with this problem, needs to go back to school, because I am pretty sure thimbles isn't a word. I am all for second chances, and the following images are basically what you can expect from ChatGPT. Other than the spelling, the main issue is that the image is square. Time to move on to GPT's nemesis, Google's Gemini. I gave Gemini a similar brief to ChatGPT, and for some reason it complained about people in the image, which I never asked it to generate. But then we got this. I told Gemini I was unimpressed with its efforts and to try again, and so it generated another complete random image which is almost entirely unrelated to the description I gave it. The third attempt was marginally better. It was time to move on to more dedicated tools for creating AI images, and so I gave Canva a go. I entered a very similar description for a best AI tools for creating YouTube thumbnails, and what I liked is that it gave 4 images at once. Another good thing is that you can make them the correct ratio for YouTube thumbnails. The downside is that they are all a bit bland, although there are a couple I like. As with ChatGPT, Canva needs to go back to school as there are some glaring spelling issues. I gave Canva more attempts than ChatGPT, as ChatGPT has an image creation limit unless you sign up to the premium version. I will let you judge the results. They aren't terrible, but they aren't great either, and I'm not sure about this one. What is UA? But UA is nothing compared to You'll Be Tube. So with Canva exhausted, I moved on to thumbnail.ai. I gave it the same brief, yada yada. And what is immediately obvious is that it isn't immediately obvious how to use the tool. You click generate, and there are lots of dodgy looking adverts that make you think you are supposed to click here, but you really shouldn't. So after a lot of playing around and wasted time, which will be condensed to a few seconds for you, I ended up at this screen where I had to enter my description again. So thumbnail.ai is about as artificially intelligent as the average banana. It is useful if you like denim themed YouTube thumbnails, but that is as far as it goes. Let's move on to test my thumbnails, which I found to be a much better tool. As you can see here, the quality of images returned is probably the best so far, and again you get 4 of them. Veed.io was great for creating comedy thumbnails. Orny to bite anyone, or do you prefer stub you still? You can log into Veed, but the interface is very confusing and the AI is very misleading as it doesn't appear to use any. I moved on to AppyPie Design, but to try it, you have to enter your credit card details, and I don't randomly enter my credit card details into every site I come across. The next tool I tried was Recraft.ai, and what has become apparent to me whilst trying these tools is that the user interfaces for these tools aren't very user-friendly. Recraft requires the user to create an account and then answer some pointless questions, and then there are various pay layers, of which one is my favourite amount. That is as good as Recraft gets. I played for about an hour on this site, and you get to see just a few seconds because that is all there is worth showing. It did come back with an okay thumbnail, although it was square and you can't change the ratio. I deliberately saved the best tool until last. And that is vidIQ's AI thumbnail generator. The images that come out are of a much higher quality, and you can enhance them by replacing the text and asking for the text to be made larger. The thumbnail is the first thing a user sees on YouTube, and so it had better be eye-catching, and I think vidIQ is the only tool that fulfilled this brief. I'm going to play you out with a bit of music and show you all the designs that the AI tools came up with. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then there is more AI-related fun on the way, so you should subscribe. We